Well, since your last visit on this project, basically we had a lot of things happening like scaffold erecting. We got one wikipod. One wikipod is up and the guy is still working on it. We started construction. We learned that it takes time to build these wikipods. There's so many and so many components and you have to follow every step and with a zero tolerance basically. You got about 220 holes to do in these ones and fix them. 220 per one pod. You're looking to about 15,000 holes to drill. It's not easy, but it's achievable. Team working on this, yeah, it's fully qualified. They got 15, 20 years experience behind. And the first one, we found out exactly what gear we need to use, what lifting equipment. We got all this now in place. I don't think you can find anybody to tell you done it quicker because there's nobody done it before this thing.